It comes as a surprise to the majority of drivers taking an advanced driving course. They would not have been able to stop early enough in an emergency. An experienced driver, presence of mind, and good reflexes are sometimes not enough to avoid an accident. One has to act quickly and brake forcefully, but the speed is too high, the reaction too slow. As the graphic shows, the accident cannot be avoided. A case for Compose. Developed to reduce the accident severity in collisions with pedestrians or vehicles, or to avoid them completely at slow speeds. The main premise of Compose: system intervention occurs only when the driver is no longer able to prevent an accident. Compose rapidly detects the obstacle, whereby the sensor system focuses on pedestrians and vehicles with the aim of protecting lives. It is of great importance to avoid false activation. Compose employs the following sensor systems: radar for measuring the distance and speed of other vehicles, a thermal imaging camera for pedestrian detection and classification, and a laser scanner which measures the exact location and size of the object in front of the vehicle. Through the interaction of these sensors, all important parameters for initiating full braking maneuvers can be acquired. The danger scenario once again. At the same speed, Compose achieves a shorter reaction time at a higher braking force and accordingly a substantially shorter stopping distance. The results of the Compose research project will make a considerable future contribution towards safety, in particular to that of pedestrians.